journaling for a little bit. Oh, this duck is right here. So as you can see, it's another day. It's a new day. And yeah, I had to cut off the cameras when I was fixing my hair because it wasn't cooperating, and I shouldn't have let the cornrows get so matted before taking it out, because it did make it hard to cut the thread where I sewed my hair in. And so yeah, I had to cut the cameras off because yeah, I was struggling and I was so tired. So yeah, I just put my hair in a slick back. Well, you probably can't see. So yeah, I feel like slick backs, like, you know, you can see the fullness of my face, like, which is nice, it's cute, but yeah, we'll see how long I last with this hairstyle. I just need to take the other hairstyle out because it's been a while, and I'm trying to wear my natural hair out more, but I also have like a lot of damage, or I just feel like I lost a lot of hair. And I have low porosity hair, so if you have low porosity hair, don't use them brown brush blow dryers. It's literally not good for your hair because your hair is already dry. So now it's gonna be dry and you're gonna be pulling out your hair. And so I've lost a lot of hair, but I also, you know, went to the doctors and they said my hemoglobin was low, so I have low iron. So low iron and having anemia is probably also causing me to lose a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go make bread. So let's go. Welcome to the kitchen, la cocina, la cuisine. Yeah, so welcome to the kitchen. There are dishes in the sink. Please, let's not mind, because I'm about to move everything out the way because we're about to start. And because I also need my phone to look at the measurements, and I don't have any other device to look at the measurements because it's on TikTok. Yeah, this is not gonna be a teaching video. Y'all are just gonna watch me make bread for the first time, but if this goes well, then I will make a video of how to make bread as a beginner. It's pretty simple from the instructions and what I've seen, so. I think we're getting somewhere. The yeast wasn't rising earlier, but it has rose, and I put all the rest of the stuff. You can probably hear it, like, yeah. So I put the oil, the honey, and stirred it. It rose, and now I'm about to put it in the bread or the flour. But I realized that this is to make like 3 to 4 loaves, and I definitely don't have 3 to 4 loaves pan. Whatchamacallit. Yeah, so this is very watery. Y'all, I don't think it's supposed to be looking like this. I'm about to give up. Bro, is this supposed to be looking like this? Like, is that not? I gotta go.